Welcome to Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2017 GMC Terrain, top of the line Denali package. Light and new condition, loaded with option. It's got the towing package, factory towing package. You've got your backup sensors, backup camera. It's got the optional pearl white color. That's a $1,000 option. These are great. I've sold quite a few of them. They're sporty, fun to drive. And with the Denali package, you get all the luxury features. Got the automatic headlights, fog lights. Got a neat feature called remote engine start. You just lock it, push and hold this button. It cranks right up, gets the climate control going. Very handy. You can start it from inside the house. This is a 100 clean Carfax, non-smoker. In light and new condition, inside and out. Got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got power heated mirrors and the blind spot monitor system. This little icon will flash orange when someone's in your blind spot. It's got the upgraded Pioneer sound system. Sounds terrific. How about these seats? Beautiful two-tone. As you can see, the leather is like new. No sign of wear, stains, or any kind of marks. Got the Denali logo. So we've got power seat, lumbar support, memory seat. Got clean carpets and floor mats. Tilt steering wheel. And how about the miles? Incredible low miles. 18,711. So that's not even 10,000 miles a year. Very low miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel. This one's got the optional lane departure warning system, collision alert, got your cruise control. It's got all your audio controls on the steering wheel, voice command. Also, you've got the factory navigation system. You'd be surprised to see how many of them don't, but this one does. Got your backup camera. Got lots of goodies here. Pandora. Got the weather. Got Bluetooth streaming, obviously Bluetooth for your phone, auxiliary input, you name it, it's got it. Automatic climate control, heated seats. Got your automatic transmission. With manual mode, you can upshift and downshift, traction control, cup holders. Got your USB and auxiliary port, lots of storage. Got your auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar. Home link garage door opener, one touch button power moonroof. It's very nice. You got your shade. You also got a power lift gate, and this button here will let you adjust the height. If you got a short garage that's not high, you can adjust it where it don't go all the way up and scratch up the tailgate. Pretty handy feature. Look, it's trying to rain on us, so we got plenty of room back here. They're bigger than they look like from the outside. Lots of leg room. Same seating pattern. And the seat lays down forward too if you need some extra cargo space. Everything's nice and clean. No issues. Got some beautiful 19-inch aluminum wheels with some hand-cooked tires. Plenty of thread. Power lift gates right here, so you just push the button on a remote. Boom, got your hands full of grocery. Makes it real easy. How about a spare? Not every vehicle's got a spare these days. There's your subwoofer. And get your hitch. Power seats on both sides. Owner's manual, extra key. This was not a cheap Terrain, almost $42,000. It's got the optional engine at 3.6. Got the sunroof, nav, wheels, towing package. Most of these come with the 4-cylinder engine. The V6 are kind of hard to come by, but with all-wheel drive and the towing package, I think V6 is the way to go. It's a 3.6 liter, plenty of power, fuel efficient, and reliable. It's still under the full factory warranty, the 3-year 36. You get the remainder of that, and 5-year 60 on the powertrain. You can see the description for details, but it does come with plenty of warranty. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV in light new condition at an affordable price, I believe your search is over. To see if this terrain is for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Rates are coming down lately, so got some pretty good deals. I've got a credit application on the website, so you can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.